yung sinasabi mo do sa first part of your question regarding the efficiency
Yes,
of
seamlessness,
the
I would
arrest.
say.
Okay. Um, Again, from what I gathered, ano lang ito, parang a series of fortunate events. Ano? Parang ano lang maraming luck played a big role, and ultimately sabi ko nga ano na to, divine providence na to. It had to happen that way.
Even
And
the stars have to align.
ano
Even the stars have to align. Can you clarify that,
yes, the
Senator? Is it because we were expecting that he would stay in Hong Kong? I mean, is it, did China leak this to him? I mean, what went on? I mean, okay, first of all, so he was in Hong Kong. He had an option not to come back, right? He had an escape route, or
okay.
maybe he didn't. Well, what do we know about the
Hmm.
China angle?
So, remember Richard, nung dinidiscuss natin yung various scenarios, ang sinasabi natin, ang go-to move ni Duterte, ang kanyang contingency plan or plan A niya is to flee to Hong Kong. He did that before nung June 2023 when he thought yung dismissal ng kanyang appeal sa appeals chamber ng ICC would come with a warrant for him. So when they were informed, they were given a heads up on the imminent release of the denial of his appeal, they fled to Hong Kong. Okay, ganun yung move niya. Ngayon, nung naririnig niya na the warrant was about to be released, was about to be issued, lumipad ulit siya sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, over the weekend, nakiramdam sila. Nakiramdam sila kung meron ba talagang warrant o wala. So wala silang nakukuhang confirmation, and they decided, I believe, ang nangyari dito, while ang plano is to seek asylum sa Hong Kong, pero mukhang base doon sa mga information namin, ano siya, nabore siya doon, nalungkot siya, hindi siya makatulog doon, parang the weather is not ideal for him, the food, hindi niya ano, kumbaga, he did not see himself living there for the rest of his life, or at least habang nakaupo ang unfriendly administration. So with that, ang decision nila is unahan nila yung warrant. So nung tinitignan